Unlock the power of automated messaging by seamlessly integrating Wati with your WhatsApp business account using this PHP tutorial. First, you'll need a Wati account and your WhatsApp business number connected. Grab your API key from the Wati dashboard. Next, install a PHP HTTP client like Guzzle, which will handle our API requests. Now, create a PHP file. Let's call it Wati_app. Within this file, include the Guzzle library and define your Wati API endpoint and the API key you obtained earlier. Next, construct your message payload. This will be a PHP array containing the phone_number, message, and any other parameters Wati requires, like template IDs if you're using pre-approved messages. Create a function to send the message via Wati's API. Use Guzzle to make a post request to the Wati endpoint, passing your API key in the headers and the message payload in the body. Make sure to handle any potential errors using try-catch blocks. Implement error handling to catch any issues during the API call if the request is successful. Parse the JSON response and display a success message if there's an error. Log it and display an appropriate error message. Try using custom-made success or error alert messages. Finally, call your send message function with the recipient's number and your desired message content. Voila! You've now integrated Wati with your WhatsApp business using PHP, opening doors to automated messaging and personalized communication workflows.